I open this water down now? Who was all this? What's all this rubbish? This water now is like 500 naira. They have wasted. Where am I going safe? I'm not even going to anywhere today. What? Anybody that is buying water, I must see them today. What's all this rubbish now? Wasting of resources in this kind of Nigeria where that we find ourselves. If my dad did not work and leave this kind of thing for me, what? In fact, I'm not living here today. Anybody that is buying water today, they are buying from me directly. Kosomi. It's very simple.
Oishe, what happened?
Good evening.
Good evening, oh.
I come fetch water.
Okay, let me see your keg.
This keg.
It's 250 naira.
Oh, I thought it's free. Oh,
She what?
I don't say now for sale. Oh, sorry.
No, it's not for sale. It's for giveaway. It's your president that put it here.
Don't insult me.
Moko. Jesus. Enemy of sales. See the way you knock him.
We must learn a lesson.
Here, baby.
No problem. God will see us. There is God.
Hi, good afternoon.
One day,
I want fresh water.
there's no water.
She what?
Water, you are finished. Because the 950 that you are still owing this company, you have not paid it.
The one they hold that they cannot pay. How much is it? How much I hope?
950 ni. It's naira 50 naira. And if you think it's easy, go and open water corporation.
We don't want to fight.
You think I'm a mad girl?
950 naira. It's not even up to 1,000 naira.
Yes.
Talk less of $2.
Ẹ sanwó tilẹ̀ kí ẹ lè rí mi pọn.
Ma wa sanwó yẹn fún ẹ̀sìn. I will pay the damn 950 naira. So you cannot be insulting me because of how much? 950.
God bless you. Auntie Rachael, your head dey there. Oh. I know they say your head dey there before.
So can I fetch my water now?
No. Since you have paid this one now, after 3 months, so you are going to pay for this one now. Ilé mọ́ lé yín kiri.
Mo kin ṣàkúṣe. I will give you. No. Ó pon le ni no be say how much is it? Can you just please take?
This is how a good citizen should behave. Auntie Rachael, the one that you just cast now, hold it very well. You know they pay before. I don't know say you don't change you. Auntie Rachael, first water.
Me, I don't understand.
What happened?
It's a lie. What do you mean? It's like pé omi ti tán. And they say, you know what? Come back next week. You know what I trying to do? Mo put igbowo mi. And Afusa. It's like pé
A very well.
ẹ fẹ́ rí wèrè nbí. Wo. 500 naira will not go like that. But they do slave food. And Afusa, come, can I have my change?